Hello, in this lecture we're going to talk about interface teaming. Interface teaming is introduced in RHCE 7 and CentOS 7. It performs same function as NIC bonding. Teaming is a new feature. It handles the flows of packets more efficiently than the bonding does. Network teaming is implemented with the kernel driver and a user space daemon named teamd. And software called runners enables load balancing. So the runner has several modes, just like bonding has several modes. So let's talk about the runners a little bit. The first one is called broadcast. It transmits each packet from all ports. Second one is called round robin. It transmits each packet in a round robin way from each of its ports. The next one is called active backup. Failover runner, which watches for link changes and selects an active port for data transfer. Next one is called load balance. Monitors traffic and uses a hash function to try to reach a perfect balance when selecting ports for packet transmission. And the last one is called LACP. It implements the 802.3AD link aggregation control protocol. It can use the same transmit port selection possibilities as the load balance runner. So in the next lecture, we are going to go over the actual configuration of teaming.